Hey y'all, this is Liz with Liz Reviews, and today I'll be reviewing the Influencer box. So it first comes in one of these plastic bags here, which is nice in case it rains. And then when you open that up, you have the box. So they have an app, they have the website, so you take surveys and you review products on there, and then they'll send you what this is, a Vox box, if you get chosen. So just the more you do surveys, the more you review things, the more apt you are to get one of these boxes. So they sent me the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Brow product. So this is the little box that it comes in, little banged up there, but cute little decent sized box. And then when you opened it up, of course there's launch the app, raise your voice, show the world. Then you have the NYX Professional Makeup Influencer, and then you turn it around and it kind of tells you about the product. Groom your brows with the comb, then you apply brow with the color with the brush tip, then you blend and texturize with the bristles or the comb, and then you can also use other angled brushes that you can dip inside there to get the product on. So it just kind of tells you about, congratulations, you've been selected to receive the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Brow box. So then it just kind of tells you a little bit more about the product. It's liquid ink formula, up to 48 hours long wear, 3-in-1 kit for pro level brows, available in 8 natural shades and 4 bold colors. Then it kind of tells you how to get started. So when you get that out of the way, of course, here's your brow product. This is a full-size product. It comes in, and I am blonde, so they did send me a blonde color. So it's kind of just a little overview and directions. Then it tells you about the products right here. As you see, this is the blonde color. And gives you the warning label and everything. Here's another overview of the product. And then, let's see, we open it up. And here's the product. And of course, I've already tried it, so there is a little bit of product on the bristles. But of course, you open up the plastic part. And here is the brush. Very good quality. And then you unscrew it, and there is the color, and there is the brush. So one of the things that I've already tried this product, here's like a little mini review, is this says for blondes, but then once you apply it, it honestly is a little bit more reddish in person. I don't know how well that looks on camera, but it is definitely more reddish in person. So if you're a lighter blonde or even a dirtier blonde, this definitely, unless you've got a really tan skin tone, it will look a little bit more reddish. But it definitely does stay on long, as it claims. You can find this product Walmart, they have Sephora, they have anywhere that you can find NYX products, and it's about $11. You can also find this online. But like I said, I'll review this a little bit more in an actual video. I was just reviewing the influencer opening, kind of unboxing. But so this is my Vox box. So definitely like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you.